A and B are friends. They decide to meet between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. on a given day. There is a condition that whoever arrives first will not wait for the other for more than 15 minutes. The probability that they will meet on the day is. The options are 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 7 by 16, 9 by 16. A and B are two friends, it seems. They meet between what? 1 to 2 p.m. means, let us take a line. This is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, this is for A, let us say. And for B, let us draw in this direction. Okay, this is 2 p.m. This is for whom? B. Now, what did the question say? That they will wait for each other for only 15 minutes. Okay. If A has come at 1 p.m., till when he will wait? B can come up to 1:15. That is 15 minutes I will write. 1 hour 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes B should come. B can come at any time between 1 to 1:15. Okay, then they both will go together. Else A will go alone. Okay, if B has come at 1 p.m., then till when he will wait? Only up to 1 hour 15 minutes. Means what? A should come within this time. A should come within 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay. Let us join this diagonal. If A has come here at this point, then he will wait for 15 minutes. Means what? Up to 15 minutes he will wait. A. And B should come within this time. Okay, if B has come at this time, he will wait for 15 minutes. Which means what? A should come within this time. Similarly, whenever they come, they can come at any time. Any time. But they will wait only for 15 minutes. That is, this line shows. This line is the waiting time for whom? A. That is, B should come within this time. This is for A should come within this time. So, if A and B come within this time, within this strip of time, then they will both go together. Else they will go alone. What did he say? They will meet on a particular day. Means they will meet on a particular means day means this area. Therefore, total probability is equal to strip area by total area. How to calculate the strip area? I will calculate in this way. Whole area minus triangle area plus triangle area. This total triangle area. Okay, what is this triangle area? This is 3/4 of an hour. Why? Because this is 15 minutes. That is 1/4 hour. Similarly, this is 3/4 of an hour. Therefore, area is equal to half of base into height. That is 3/4 into 3/4. That is 9/32. And what is the area of this? This is also same area as the bottom triangle area. Therefore, total area of strip is equal to, the total area is how much? 1 hour into 1 hour. That is the square area. That is 1 minus 9/32 into 2. Why? Because 2 triangles. Therefore, 16 minus 9, that is 7/16. This is total area of the strip, that is 7/16. Now, probability is equal to, probability that they meet is equal to 7/16, the area of the strip, by total area, that is 1. 7/16. Why total area is 1? Because 1 hour into 1 hour, square area, that is 7/16. Therefore, 7/16 is the answer. C is the option.